right now they're setting up on the stage, and what they're doing is a sound check. So you hear a little guitar here and there, they're tuning. They were pounding the drums pretty good a few minutes ago, and just before all the artists get ready to go on stage, they make sure that the sound is right, that every instrument can be heard. Hopefully I can be heard. And you can hear the rumbling in the background. You can actually feel the ground vibrate when they start hitting that bass on those drums. So this is what happens on the Frogfest stage before the performers get on stage. So when they get on, they walk on and they start. So enjoy yourself at Big Frog 104's Wild West Frogfest and Rodeo today.